Hi everyone, Chase with JobFlow. In this video, we're going to go over how to braid a harness. Now I have a sample harness here that we're going to use to demonstrate a few things. To begin, we're going to braid in manual mode. You'll find you'll still need to braid manually sometimes in certain harnesses. Also, we don't remove any of the manual functionality that you would have in your braider today. Then we're going to show you how to braid in automatic mode, including the setup, detecting the branch, and detecting the end of the harness. So let's go over here and set up for manual braiding. You'll notice as I come in here that because I'm in manual mode, my robotic arms are fully retracted, allowing me access to the braider. So let's get braiding.